Today, let's dive into the fascinating world of rabbits, those small animals that win hearts worldwide with their cute appearance and captivating behavior. You might think you already know everything about them, but throughout this video, you'll discover surprising facts that you've probably never heard before. So stay with me, because I guarantee every minute will be worth it. Rabbits are incredibly unique animals. From their long ears, which always seem to be on alert, to their ability to leap great distances, they are true masters of adaptation. Here's an interesting fact to start. Did you know that a rabbit's ears aren't just for hearing? They also help regulate body temperature. Yes, when it's very hot, rabbits can release heat through their ears, keeping their bodies in balance. Impressive, right? But what makes rabbits so special isn't just their appearance or physical abilities. They play a very important role in nature. Rabbits are herbivores, and as such, they help control plant growth and disperse seeds, contributing to ecosystem balance. Although small and seemingly fragile, they are a fundamental piece in the cycle of life, and their impact is much greater than we imagine. Speaking of impact, did you know rabbits have an incredible ability to reproduce? That's right. They are known for their impressive capacity to rapidly increase their population. A single female rabbit can have multiple litters a year, each with up to 12 kits. This might seem like a lot, but it makes perfect sense in nature. After all, rabbits are on the menu for many predators, so their high reproductive rate is essential for the survival of the species. Now, let's talk about rabbit movements, which are nothing short of spectacular. Their bodies are designed for speed and agility. They can jump up to 10 times their body length in a single leap, not to mention their ability to change direction midair, which helps them escape predators at high speed. Imagine the precision needed to execute these maneuvers. But it's not just in nature that rabbits show off their abilities. They also make amazing companions for those who choose them as pets. Here's an interesting point. While many people think caring for a rabbit is easy, they actually require a lot of attention. Rabbits need space to exercise, a balanced diet, and, of course, plenty of affection. They are social animals and love interacting, both with other rabbits and with humans. Did you know rabbits have a unique way of communicating? They might not bark like dogs or meow like cats, but they have their own language that goes far beyond sounds. When they're happy, for example, they might do a little jump called a binky, which is like a dance of joy. And when they're upset or scared, they might thump their hind legs on the ground, alerting other rabbits of potential danger. It's a sophisticated form of social interaction that few people know about. Another fascinating thing about rabbits is their vision. Their eyes are positioned on the sides of their heads, giving them almost complete panoramic vision. This means they can see nearly everything around them, except for a small blind spot right in front of their nose. This ability is essential for detecting predators and staying safe, but it's also why you should never approach a rabbit directly from the front. And how about their teeth? You might not know this, but rabbit teeth never stop growing. That's right. To prevent them from becoming too long and affecting their health, rabbits need to constantly chew. This is one of the reasons why it's so important to provide appropriate toys and foods for them. Without something to wear down their teeth, they can develop serious health problems. In addition, a rabbit's diet is a topic that deserves special attention. They have a very sensitive digestive system and require a diet rich in fiber, such as hay and fresh vegetables. Here's an interesting fact. Rabbits engage in a behavior called Cecotrophy, where they eat a special part of their feces. This might seem strange to us, but it's essential for their nutrition, as it allows them to reabsorb important nutrients that weren't fully digested the first time. Rabbits are also masters at creating burrows and hiding places. In the wild, they live in complex tunnel systems called warrens, which provide protection against predators and harsh weather. These warrens are so well designed that they include multiple entrances and exits, ensuring the rabbit always has an escape route. Even in domestic environments, you might notice they love hiding in small spaces, a trait inherited from their wild ancestors. And if you think rabbits are silent, think again. Although they aren't loud animals, they have subtle ways of expressing themselves. A soft purring, for example, can indicate they're relaxed and content. And contrary to what many believe, they can even emit a loud scream in situations of extreme fear or pain, something most people don't know. Did you know that rabbits have distinct personalities? Some are more curious and adventurous, while others might be shy and cautious. They also have excellent memories, and can even recognize human voices and faces. This emotional connection is what makes rabbits so special to many people. And before you think you've heard it all, here's one last fun fact to end on a high note. Rabbits have a peculiar habit called social grooming. They might lick other rabbits or even humans as a way of showing affection. So, if a rabbit has ever licked you, consider yourself special. Rabbits also have an incredible ability to adapt. Did you know they can live in a variety of habitats, from dense forests to open fields and even semi-arid regions? This versatility is one of the reasons they're found on almost every continent, except Antarctica. However, this adaptability has also brought challenges. In some places, like Australia, rabbits introduced by humans have become an invasive species, causing significant ecological imbalances. When it comes to their relationship with humans, it's impossible not to mention the cultural symbolism of rabbits. In many traditions, they represent fertility, renewal, and luck. Who hasn't heard of the Easter Bunny? But there are also folktales where rabbits appear as cunning characters, showing that these small animals have captured people's imagination for centuries. Finally, it's worth highlighting how much rabbits teach us about care and respect. They depend on a safe environment, proper food, and social interaction to thrive. Perhaps that's why, when we care for a rabbit, we learn more about patience, empathy, and the fragility of life. Rabbits, with their enchanting appearance and fascinating behaviors, continue to amaze us. Whether in nature, helping maintain ecological balance, or in our homes as loyal companions, they have much to teach us about resilience, connection, and the role every living being plays in the great cycle of life.